Dear Mr. Ely, thank you for your recent application. Blah, 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 blah. We regret to inform you on this occasion that you were not successful in getting the job applied for because we feel you are overqualified for the position. What the f***? Welcome back to another video, and where do I start? So, if you see my previous video, you will see that I am being made redundant from my job in fitness, which I have done for over 20 years. And to be honest, trying to find a new job is turning out to be a little bit more difficult than I imagined. So with over 20 years in the business, I really did think finding another job would be easy, because over those 20 years, I have gained every fitness qualification there is, from fitness management, body pumps, spinning, kettlebell circuits, health and safety, HR, you name it, the list goes on. And you would think in this day and age, that would actually go good when you're trying to find a new job. But I've had 4 interviews that have all come back and said that I am overqualified for the position applied. And to be honest, I am starting to panic a little bit, because at the age of 43, trying to find a new job after the whole COVID situation is becoming difficult and rather stressful. And this day-to-day stress is playing havoc on my skin. That's why today's video has been sponsored by Better Men's Skincare Products. So I think you guys all know me by now. I make a big deal of being 43 and trying to stay as young and fresh and healthy looking as possible. And that's why I use Better Men's Skincare Products, because this stuff is unreal. You need to check out their website, links in my description. And also, if you want to buy and try their products, discount code Harry for 10% off your first order. And trust me, you will not be disappointed with this product. And for me personally, especially the men's face serum. Crazy stuff. Let's get back on with the video. Let me get myself a little bit more comfortable here. Okay guys, so the job search continues. Trying to find a job is very difficult. I have got literally 1 month left until I lose my job, and I've got nothing else in place. But it's not all doom and gloom, because I'm thinking about having maybe a little bit of time off so I can focus more on my YouTube. Now, obviously, I know I have bills to pay, rent to pay. I have 2 children which I need to feed and support. So obviously, I do need to get another job. But I have plans in place. And also, remember, if you've been following my YouTube videos, you know that we are doing the summer shred. Trying to get as lean as possible for summer. My goal is 5 weeks. I am going to Poland with my Polish partner, fiance, wife-to-be, whatever you call it, Natalia. We're going to be going to Poland, so we want to look our best. So if you've been following my Instagram and YouTube, you'll see that we are doing a summer shred where we're documenting our training programs, our nutrition, pretty much everything that you need to get yourself in the best shape you can for the summer. And remember, life always throws many spanners in the works. And, for me, losing my job is a big spanner in the works. But at the same time, it's not going to stop me achieving the goals which I want, which is to get in the best shape I can for the summer. And also to compete, because I want to do a men's physique or a master's swimwear category in September. So although I'm not going to be working, I still have a lot of goals in place which I want to try and achieve. And obviously the support from you guys, this channel, and subscribing, hitting that like button will massively help me out, because maybe this me being made redundant from my job is a bit of a push that I need to try and work harder at my YouTube channel, because trying to make a YouTube channel and making YouTube videos while working full-time and being a dad of 2 children and being a husband-to-be is quite difficult. And trying to train on a regular basis is hard. So maybe this this situation being made redundant is that push I need to try and work harder at other things like my YouTube, my Instagram, my social media. I don't know. What do you guys think? Please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Or maybe I'll just become a housewife, like a male housewife. Maybe I'll just become, stay at home with the kids. I'll hoover, I'll clean. I hope that doesn't sound too sexist because men do that as well. But yeah, maybe I'll just have a bit of me time and become a housewife and become a man of leisure. But no, guys, on a more serious note, I know I am laughing and joking about losing my job, but to be quite honest, it is actually quite strenuous and quite stressful. I know a lot of people have been affected because of the virus. A lot of people have lost their jobs. A lot of people are out of work. A lot of people are struggling financially, and I'm exactly the same. I'm not rich. I don't drive big flash cars, and as I said, I'm losing my job soon. So, you have to rely on the support of your loved ones, like my partner. We're going to have to work together to make ends meet, pay our bills. And, as I said, on a serious note, I am worried about getting a new job because at the age of 43, I really did think that I had all the knowledge and all the tools and the years of experience and fitness to just walk into another job, but that is turning out not to be the case. Now, maybe it is because everybody out there is trying to find a job after the whole virus thing. Maybe I am getting a bit too old and people are thinking, well, we want younger, fresher personal trainers. I don't know. What do you guys think? Because I really did think, with everything that I've built over the years, I could literally walk into another job, but I've had quite a few interviews, and as I said, the last 4 interviews I've all had the same answer: we feel you're overqualified for the position. Is that just a polite way of saying you're too old? Is that a polite way of saying you don't really fit the criteria? I'm not too sure. I could need a bit of help, to be honest, because if I'm going wrong in these interviews and I'm making a big mistake, I would love to know what that mistake is, because got to work, and I'm starting to run out of options. But like I said, until I do find a new job, our summer shred continues. Me and Natalia are flying to Poland in 5 weeks, so I've got 5 weeks to strip off every ounce of fat and get myself in the best shape possible, because when I go to Poland, I'm going to go and visit my Polish family, or my new Polish family, and obviously I want to make a good impression and look the best I can. So 5 weeks to get lean. So please check out my previous YouTube videos and check out Natalia's YouTube channel. She's got some great fitness videos which you can do in your home without equipment. She's got some great stuff in there. So please check out Natalia's YouTube. I will pop that link in the description as well. And yeah, she's a good trainer, really good trainer. Because she's Polish, she's hardcore, very hardcore. She puts me to shame when we're training sometimes. Anyway, guys, that was my little rant and rave about soon becoming unemployed. So I'm going to wrap this video up because it's just a short video, just to give you an update on the job hunting situation, an update on the summer shred, and just an update on life in general, if you're interested. Hopefully you are. So yeah, I'm going to wrap it up there because this is just a little short video just to keep everything on track, and hopefully we'll have something a bit more exciting in the next video, because me and Natalia are going to document a massive booty workout, because everybody wants a better booty. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Do widzenia.